Hey guys, so I wanted to show you guys how you can create digital art, clip art for Etsy to sell, and it's very easy using AI. So today what we're going to do is we're going to go on to Etsy first, and I put in Christmas digital theme clip art, and this is what it came up with. So as you're scrolling through, you can see this one has 23 downloads, and you just click through to get inspiration on what you like and what you want to recreate and make it your own. So as I was scrolling through here, I see a lot of really cute ones. I like this. It's super cute. But as I was doing my research, I came across this. They're Christmas cats, and they're themed Christmas cats. Super cute, and it had like 1,000 something downloads. So I was like, oh, let's try to recreate this. So what I did was I went into my Midjourney, and this is my prompt that I put in. I put in Kawaii Christmas theme, and I put the brackets. And so I'll show you what these brackets mean. So instead of creating per prompt every single time, which is very time consuming, you put these brackets in. And you close it off with the brackets at the end, because in that way it's going to give you all these different prompts here. So it's going to give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 prompts, and then the aspect ratio, and then you're going to click submit, and then it's going to ask you down here if you want to get all these prompts, 6 of these prompts done, and you just click yes, and it's going to give you 6. So I was playing with it earlier just to see, and it came up with some cute ones, but I'm going to make it look cuter. So let's wait for this. Okay, so once I put the prompt in and it generated, this is what it looks like. This is the Santa one. Super cute. And so I selected all 4 variations. This one I put reindeer cat, didn't really turn out that nice. And then this one is an elf cat. Super cute. This is a Christmas tree theme. This is a snow cat. This is a present one. And so once I do this, I'm going to upscale it 4 times. And I'm going to do that to all of them so it looks good. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how, I'm just going to do a couple of them, and I'm going to show you how you can pull it to Canva and change it to a PNG file. Okay, so I've upscaled the image, and I want to show you real quick how you can bring this to Canva and make it into digital art. So I'm just going to click on the image and save to downloads, which I've done already. Then I'm going to go into Canva, and right here I'm doing 2000 pixels by 2000 pixels. So in order to do that, you just go to your home page, create a design, customize design, and you're going to put in 2000 by 2000 pixels and create new design. And then you get this. So now we're going to go into our clip art right here. Actually, this is, so we're going to click these 2 and drag it in here. Then when it's uploaded into your Canva, you're just going to drag it over here, like so. I'm just going to enlarge it a little bit. And then drag the side out. Perfect. Then now what you're going to do is click on this image, click Edit Photo, and you're going to click on BG Remover here. And as you can see, it's done doing the removal. So you're going to click on it again, and it looks perfect. There's nothing to fix in here. So then we go back, and we can add page and click our next image. And I'm just going to enlarge it a little bit. Like so. Okay. And same thing, edit photo, click this, the BG remover, and then click into it to make sure everything looks good and everything looks perfect. Now, when you download it, what you want to do is you have to click share, click download, but make sure you click the transparent background. Because if you don't click the transparent background, when you download, it's going to look like this. If you click the transparent background, then it won't have the white background. And also, just so you know, the transparent background is for Canva's subscription, so you do have to subscribe to it to get to that. And now if you click into it, it looks like this. And it's done. And it's a PNG file. See that? And then you just do a whole bunch of them and then upload them to Etsy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what you want to see next, and I will do more videos on how to make money online. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.